What's up, YouTube? I'm EJ.
And I'm Kalin, and welcome to EXK for Life. Happy Canada Day to all our fellow Canadians. Today we're going to be filming a whole day full of fun activities, and we have something special for the end of the night.
Come along with us on the ride for today.
We'll show you guys a little sneak peek of what we have for tonight. Y'all ready?
Vámonos.
My sneakers ripped on the aircraft.
Hey, hey! Who est tête?
Oh!
Où est Aquila?
Oh!
BMW!
Oh!
Pathfinder! We're making millionaire!
Chic, shack, shun. Chic, shack, shun. I see the Habibi when we win.
Down below if you guys think he looks like the guy from Zabuma Food.
It's a crack party!
Two people just gave us tickets to go see some sloth.
Free tickets. Guys, it's Brother Bear. This is what the people gave us for free, but you have to pay for it, so let's see.
Jesus, salmon, pink, tarantula.
Real stuff. It's right here. Whoa! Oh my god. Look at him. He's staring at me.
There's two.
Harry Potter. I'm talking to the snake. Look at me. Look at me.
Green. Look at him trying to get as much sunlight
Chunky,
as he can.
chunky. Python. OMG. Guys, Asian water dragon, yo.
He's owning it.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually ice?
Well, I don't know if they just put something.
Guys, it's wet. It's cold. Is this the owl from Harry Potter?
It's the Arctic.
Guys, comment down below which one you want. I don't know. Okay guys, it's time to eat.
Canada.
We've been craving like a really, really nice pizza. So we found this really cute pizza place. It's called Giulia.
Giulia.
On Elgin Street. Can you guys tell we liked it? What? Guys, we're going back to my house, and on his phone it's labeled as work for some reason. Like his Apple Maps says that my house is work. It is work.
So often. We're back home, guys.
Get ready with us. We're gonna pop some fireworks. Pop, pop, pop. This is what we got. It's a little mix of everything. And then we got this big bad boy. Big boy. We're gonna be shooting it at each other. Not recommended at home. You ready to shoot it at each other?
Of course, my aim is immaculate.
There's also other people doing fireworks. Right there. Guys, we're gonna go from smallest to biggest. No! Come on! Yo! Next we got Spider-Man. Oh my god.
You're getting real close. Oh shit, I only got. I think I got. Oh. And you're watching the Disney Channel.
That's so dead.
How am I supposed to do it?
And you're watching Disney Channel.
And you are watching the Disney Channel.
Ding. And you're watching Disney Channel.
Bam.
Don't make me light you up. We're all done for the day. We thought we'd light up these cute little sparkles.
Yeah. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button right here.
And push notification. This is really close to my face.
Why, you don't like it?
No.
See you guys next week.